Simple Green OxySolve Concrete and Driveway Cleaner uses the high-performance power of peroxide to provide professional-grade results without hazardous, abrasive, or corrosive chemicals. The pressure washer concentrate removes oil, grease, automotive fluids, tire marks, exhaust, and other tough stains that otherwise would ruin driveways, walkways, or patios. It cuts through built-up, ground-in grime, renewing the look of concrete, asphalt, brick, stone, flagstone, and other surfaces. It eliminates discoloration from mold and mildew, cuts through clay, breaks down sap and pollen, and refreshes surfaces with an orally non-toxic, non-acidic, and biodegradable formula, and is safer for plants and landscaping. It has been certified as an EPA Safer Choice product and is safer for use around people, pets, wildlife, and waterways, making it ideal for various outdoor structures and other masonry. People choose Simple Green products because they work. We trust their performance so much that we back them with our own 100% money-back guarantee.